Hey everybody, how you doing? It's me, Timothy, and I'm going to be showing you what I got from one of my subscribers here in this box. Here, got a card here from them. This is what I received from one of my subscribers that watch my channel here, where I live at. Let's see what they sent me in this box. First off, I'm gonna read this card. It says, this is a Halloween card. It says, Timothy, we were sad to see you so down in your recent video. I haven't been down. Just been bored because I haven't been able to get nowhere but with the van, so. And we wanted to send you a little something to cheer you up. We hope to see some of these on a future review. Your loyal watchers from this creek. Well, thank you, whoever did that. I really appreciate it very, very much. But this is what they sent me. Here, these flips, pumpkin spice. Right here. Some pumpkin spice wafers. Some Swiss Miss caramel, salted caramel. I love these candy corn licorice. Oh my God, these are good. I've had those before. Some frosted apple fritter from Pop-Tart. Halloween crunch. And Wendy's Frosty. Thank you, whoever did that. I really, really appreciate it big time. A lot. I really do. But let's see, I'm gonna open these first. Yeah, they give these pumpkin spice. Real good. Can't taste no pumpkin spice in these. Let's get this open. Now you can taste the coated stuff, but can't taste no pumpkin spice on these neither. Mm. Well, I know I'm going to have to get a tea kettle. That's one thing I don't have is a tea kettle. Use. I got a Craig that I use. But yeah, I'll give this a try. Probably in another video. But thank you who did this. I really appreciate it. Again, you know, if any of you would like to do things like this, feel free to, man. You know, you don't have to be afraid. I do got me a P.O. Box that you can always send me stuff. My P.O. Box is always down below in the description box below. No, feel free to send me something if you can. You know, you don't have to. But if you can. But again, thank you. Thank you very much. So what you all doing on this wonderful day here? I hope your day's been a good one. My day's been good. Yeah. So far, so good. Still waiting when I can go get my van. Supposed to be getting my van today, sometime this afternoon. Don't know when, but sometime this afternoon. Kind of getting boring. Sitting around, I'm usually gone by now, but just chilling here at the house. Hopefully it won't be too long. That way I'll be out there getting my van. Well, hopefully it won't be too long. And the person will call me to say, hey, I'm going to come get you. The van's ready. And that's what they told me yesterday. in a text. Saying that the man would be ready today. But I haven't heard anything yet.
So I think at the end of the day, Lee County, I think most of the claims are going to be flood claims. I think in Charlotte, maybe the mix will be a little bit different because I did see, some wind damage, and I think that everything those are going to be appropriate, but clearly.
But the person told me I'm going to be getting it back today, so they better be telling the truth. But that's what I've been waiting for all day. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this video here. Me showing you some stuff a subscriber sent me. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this video, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a video like this, you'll be notified as well. But until my next video, they call me Vlogging with Timothy. And this vlog is over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.
So